Question 3. The shape of a garden is rectangular in the middle, like this. Rectangular is in the middle and semicircular at the ends. Semicircular at the ends. Find the area and the perimeter of this garden. So a garden is given where this is rectangular in the middle and the semicircular at the end. So we have to find out the area as well as the perimeter. So let's find out first for the semicircle. So for semicircle, this whole length is given, that is from here to here, that is the diameter. So what will be the radius? Radius will be half of the diameter. So radius is equal to d by 2, that is 7 by 2. And what is the area of a circle? Area of a circle is pi r square. But here it is semicircle. So what will be the half area of semicircle? So area of circle will be half of the area of the circle, that is half into pi r square. This will be the formula for area of the semicircle of this. So how many semicircles are there? 2 semicircles are there. So area of 2 semicircles will be equal to 2 multiplied by half multiplied by pi r square. That again gives us pi r square. So let's start. That is equal to 2 and 2 will get cancelled again. So pi 22 by 7. R we have got is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 multiplied by 7 by 2. This 7 will get cancelled. 2 11s are. So 7. So our answer will be 77 divided by 2, that is equal to 38.5 meter square. So area of the 2 semicircles, we have got this and this, that is 38.5 meter square. Now what is the circumference of the 2 semicircles? So circumference of a circle, we know that it is 2 pi r. So 2 semicircles are there. So for semicircle it will be 2 pi r by 2. Okay. So if 2 semicircles are there, it means it will complete one circle. So it is circumference will be same, that is 2 pi r. Because this circle and this circle, if we are joining like this, if we join, it means one circle. And circumference of one circle will be 2 pi r. So 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by r we have got is 7 by 2. This 2 will get cancelled, this 7 will get cancelled. Answer is 22 meter. So perimeter we have find of the semicircles as well as the area. Now for rectangle we will find out. So for rectangle, what is the length here? So length is, we have to cut the length of the semicircle. So this much is the radius. So these two portions will get cut. So length will be 20 minus, what is radius is 7 by 2, or you can say 3.5. So if we are writing 3.5, this will get cancelled here and this also plus 3.5. So both will this area, this length and this length, this will get subtracted from the total length, then we will get the length of the rectangle. So 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5, that is equal to 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5 is 7. 20 minus 7 is 13 meter. So now the length of the rectangle we have got, breadth is nothing but this length, that is 7 meter. Now what is the area of any rectangle? That is length into breadth. So here length is 13 and breadth is 7. So 13 multiplied by 7 we will get 91 meter square. Now what we have to find out is area, total area of this garden. So total area of garden will be equal to, area of this rectangle plus area of this 2 semicircles that we have got. So 91 plus 38.5 meter square. So 91 plus 38.5 is 129.5 meter square. So area of the garden is 129.5 meter square. Now what we have to find out is perimeter of the garden. So perimeter of the garden means sum of all the boundaries, right? Sum of all the boundaries, this length and this length we know, that is we have find out as, here it is the length 13 meter. So this will be 13 and this will be 13. And what is the perimeter of the semicircles? We have find out circumference, that is 20 meter, 22 meter. So add all these lengths, that is 22 meter, that is the combined perimeter or circumference of this semicircles. And what is left to be added for the perimeter? These two length. This length is 13, so same is here 13. So plus 13 meter plus 13 meter. Again I will explain how I have got this. Perimeter of a garden means addition of all the boundaries, right? So what is the circumference of the semicircle that we have found? That is 22 meter. Okay, so this much and this much is done. Now what next is left to be added? This length and this length. This length we have find out as 13 meter, right? Here this is 13 meter, so this will be 13. So this two if we add along with the circumference of the semicircle, we will get the entire perimeter of the garden. So perimeter of the garden is 22 meter plus 13 meter plus 13 meter, that gives us 48 meter. So perimeter is of a garden is 48 meter and the area of the garden is 129.5 meter square. Question 4th. A flooring tile has the shape of a parallelogram whose base is 24 centimeter and the corresponding height is 10 centimeter. So a flooring tile is there which is of parallelogram shape and whose base is 24 centimeter and its height, corresponding height is 10 centimeter. And we know how to find out the area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is nothing but base into height. Now how many such tiles are required to cover a floor of area 1080 meters square? So area of the floor is given to us and we have to find out number of tiles of length and breadth this required for covering up that particular area. So area of the floor is given to us already, that is 1080 meters square. And you have to see this, that the unit here it is in centimeter and this is in meter square. So we have to convert this centimeter unit into meter. So base of a tile, what is base of the tile is 24 centimeters. So if we convert it into meter, that will come up to 24 by 100 because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 24 centimeter is equal to 24 by 100 meter. Now it is converted into meter. Now we will find out the corresponding height. Height is 10 centimeter. So if we convert into meter, it will be 10 by 100 meter. So now we know the base and height of the tile. Now what we are required is number of tiles. So number of tiles we can get, what is the formula? That will be equal to total area of the floor, that is this, divide by area of the tile. Then if we divide total area with the area of the tile, then we can get the number of tiles. So number of tiles will be equal to area of the floor by area of the tile. So what is area of the tile? Area of tile will be parallelogram, is the tile is parallelogram and it according to the area of the parallelogram is base into height. Base we have find out the base. Base is 24 by 100 and height is 10 by 100. This will be in meter square. So this is the area of the tile. If you want to deduct it right now, then you can do it. Like if we cut it like this, then we are getting 24 by 1000 is meter square. Now what we have to find is number of tiles. So number of tiles, as we have already written here the formula, that is area of the floor. What is the total area of the floor given to us is 1080 meter square and divide by area of a tile, and area of a tile is 24 by 1000 meter square. This is our answer. Now we will solve it. 1080 multiplied by, this will go here in numerator, by multiply by 1000 divide by 24. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 24, then 2 fives are 10, 2 fours are 8 and 0, 2 sixes are 12, 2 twos are 4, 1 4, 2 sevens are 14 and 0. Then 3 twos are 6, 3 nines are 27 and 0. Then 2 fours are 8, 5s are 10. So we are getting 45 multiplied by 1000, that is equal to 45,000, and these are number of tiles. So 45,000 tiles are used in the total area of 1080 meter square. Total tiles used are 45,000. Question 5. An ant is moving around a few food pieces of different shapes scattered on the floor. For which food piece would the ant have to take a longer round? So these are the figures that A, B and C are the figures that are given to us, and these are the shapes from around which the ant is moving with the food. So first figure we will find out, it is a semicircular shape, and length, that is the diameter that is given to us, is 2.8 centimeter. So what will be the radius? D by 2, that is 2.8 by 2, that is equal to 1.4 centimeter will be the radius. And as per the perimeter of a semicircle, that is that will be circumference of a circle. What is the circumference of a circle? That is 2 pi r, and this is a semicircle, so it will be pi r. So half 2 pi r divided by 2, that will be pi r. So this much perimeter will be pi r. And you have to see that the ant moves along this figure. So this much is pi r. So this also we will have to add, that is the diameter also we will have to add, because the ant is completing the whole shape. So therefore perimeter of the shape will be, perimeter of shape A will be equal to 2 pi r by half, that is pi r plus this diameter, or you can this diameter, so d. So what is pi here? 22 by 7. What is r? 1.4 plus d. D is 2.8, so 2.8 here. So here it will be 7.2. Then we will multiply 22 multiplied by 0.2 will be 4.4 plus 2.8, that will give us 7.2 centimeter. So this will be the perimeter of this particular shape. The next shape that is given to us is a rectangular type, but there is a semicircle here. So for this semicircle we already know what is the perimeter, that will be pi r. This will be pi r. Then we will have to add this length, this is the breadth, and again this length, that will be equal to 2.8 centimeters. Same here, and again this. So addition of circumference of this half circle or semicircle plus this breadth, this length and this length. The base will not be counted because there is no line over here, and the ant covers this shape like this. Okay, so perimeter of shape B, what will be the shape? So first will be pi r, that is the circumference of the semicircle. Circumference, that is pi r, plus this length. This will be, if we are it is a rectangle, so this will be breadth. So breadth plus this length plus this breadth again. So here 2 times the breadth is there, that is same length, that is 1.5. So first we will start with pi r. What is pi here? 22 by 7, and r we already know 2.8 8 is the diameter, so r will be 1.4. So 1.4 here plus, what is the breadth here? 1.5 plus length. What is the length over here? It is same as the diameter over here, that is 2.8. 2.8 plus this, again this we have to 1.5. So 22 by 7, that will be 0.2. 22 multiplied by 0.2, it will be 4.4 plus 1.5. 1.5 plus 1.5, that will be 3 plus 2.8. So 4.4 plus 3 plus 2.8, it will give us 10.2 centimeter. So this will be the perimeter of that particular shape B. C is this figure where here it is a semicircular shape and this is 2 length, that is given to us 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So it is simple. We have to first find out the perimeter of this particular area, that is it would be, it is semicircle, so pi r will be 2 pi r, circumference of the circle, and half of that, so pi r. So perimeter of shape C, this is shape C we are finding out, so it will be pi r plus the 2 length, that is 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. So this perimeter we will get, so pi r is 22 by 7. Again r here will be 2.8 is the diameter, so r will be 1.4 plus 2 plus 2. This will be 7.2. Then 22 multiplied by 0.2 will be 4.4 plus 2 plus 2, that will give us to be 8.4 centimeter. So perimeter of this figure will be 8.4 centimeter. Thus 7.2 centimeter is less than 8.4 centimeter, less than 10.2 centimeter. So 10.2 is the larger perimeter and it is of shape B. So shape B is having larger perimeter.